Starting a house painting business in South Africa can be a lucrative venture with the right planning and preparation. Before diving in, it's important to consider the costs involved in setting up your business. You'll need to factor in expenses such as equipment, licenses, insurance, and marketing. The cost of starting a house painting business can vary depending on the scale and scope of your operations. On average, you can expect to spend between 10,000 to 50,000 Rand to get your business up and running. Once you have determined the startup costs, it's important to consider how much you can charge for your services. In South Africa, the average price per square meter for house painting ranges from 60 to 120 Rand. Factors such as the location, size of the project, and complexity of the paint job can influence your pricing. It's essential to conduct market research and analyze your competitors' rates to ensure competitiveness. Keep in mind that prices may vary depending on the region and specific market conditions. To attract customers, you can offer competitive rates, quality workmanship, and excellent customer service. It's also a good idea to market your business online through a website and social media platforms. Creating a strong online presence can help you reach a wider audience and increase your chances of getting more clients. Networking with other professionals in the industry, such as real estate agents and interior designers, can also bring in referrals. When estimating the cost of painting a house, factors such as the size, condition of the surfaces, and number of coats needed should be considered. Providing detailed quotations to potential clients will help them understand what is included in the price and build trust. Efficiency and effectiveness are crucial in maximizing profits in the house painting business. Having a well-trained and skilled team can help you complete projects in a timely manner and ensure customer satisfaction. Investing in quality equipment and using efficient painting techniques can also contribute to cost savings. Don't forget to factor in ongoing expenses such as maintenance, supplies, and employee wages, as these will impact your profitability. Building a solid reputation in the industry is essential for long-term success, so consistently delivering high-quality work is crucial. It's important to communicate clearly with clients, actively listen to their needs, and address any concerns they may have. Customer satisfaction is key, as happy clients are more likely to provide positive referrals and repeat business. Lastly, staying up to date with industry trends, new materials, and techniques can help you stay ahead of the competition. Continuously improving your skills and knowledge will set you apart in the house painting business in South Africa.